Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can reset MetaTrader 5 to default settings. But before that, please do make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel. And yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. So for that, you can see to reset MetaTrader 5 or MT5 to its default setting, you can simply go to the tools once you've accessed the app. Then from over here, simply go ahead, select the history center. Then simply choose the pair and time frame you want to reset. Simply select all of the data and then tap on click on delete twice, and that should reset. You can also try hiding unused instruments in the market watch windows. You can close charts that are not in use, disable login functions or expert advisors. Simply restart MT5 regularly. Reconnect to the server by right-clicking in the market watch window and selecting refresh. These steps will make it work, make this performance excellent, and you will also be able to reset your MT5 likewise like that as well. As I mentioned the steps over here, make sure to follow the steps accordingly as I explained, and you will be able to reset it. And and that is basically it. So hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.